Okay, this stream should be up in a minute on YouTube and Twitter. So let's wait for that. Yes, on Twitter, YouTube it's up. On Twitter, let me check. Yes, it's up. Okay, no. Okay, ignore that. Oh, say document. Okay, we are on something. I don't know where we were, but yeah. Um, Let me tweet and then we can start. Okay, so what can we do? We worked on this, create withdraw, no, all these things, and then withdraw rewards we worked on. Now we just need to write hard hat tests to check if all these things are correct or not. And if they are, we are good. If not, we'll fix them. And I also want to go over. Okay, who is the third person watching on YouTube? Hey, hi. Uh, put hi in the chat, whoever you are. Hi, everyone. Maybe it's me only. Who knows? Anyway, I was saying I want to show you guys how 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 precision is lost in multiplication and division and solidity. Okay, I'm just putting this in the chat GPT. Explain to me how in solidity and tell me if that will happen in following functions. Okay, I want to explain this, but just give me a minute. Yeah, this function we are using, uh, this function, And at last we have our view and get exchange rate and get, okay, we have this. Okay, when this is done, share, let me generate a link and I'll put it in the chat. ChatGPT will explain it better than me. Okay, can we open it here? Yes, we can. So how how lost how precision is lost in solidity multiplication and division. In solidity, all arithmetic is done with fixed size integer, meaning there are no floating point numbers. This leads to precision loss during dividing dividing number, especially when working with fractions. Division truncation, solidity rounds down when dividing integers. If a divided by b does not divide evenly, then remainder is discarded. Okay, multiplication overflow results in larger values larger than maximum. Okay, that won't happen. Precision, so you see this part, uh, 1e18, we are doing this. It will only, okay, it will only happen in create withdraw request. Get exchange rate, I don't think it will be very large, but in any case we'll add this to fix that loss. We are already doing it here, and at the top we'll just try to do the same. Where suggested fix, get exchange rate, create withdraw request, and then we are dividing. Okay, so at this point amount will be, okay, instead of 1e18 we'll create a constant. Do we have that? No. Yeah, we do have constant un256 private constant precision equal to 1e18, and then we'll use that here. And at the bottom here we also should create, where is this, create time block dot timestamp withdraw request, and then unbonding buffer time buffer. Okay, we already have those. then why we put these things here? Let's put it. Yes. Now that's done. Okay. Done. We have all these. Do we have all these? I want to check. Delegate, undelegate, redelegate, delegate, redelegate, undelegate, and withdraw. Okay, we have all of them. Let's mark them as done. Okay, then I guess we are done with almost all of our functions. Now, only part that is remaining is this testing. So let's write. We'll just write hard hat tests. I know it will be irritating because mm, most of the time they fail, and we can't even figure out why we are not able to pass. Uh, Not pass. Send say from one address to another, and even if we send it, like it doesn't go. So you remember this part. If you were there for last stream, which was 2 days ago, you'll know what I was saying, what I am saying. Okay, okay, great. We have done this. Okay, yeah, I was. We don't want this in this function. We'll change it to something else. Instead of state say, we'll say state say contract. Where is state say done? And this. Okay, this is used here. That's good. Const const because here we are testing the deployment values, right? And we need all of these things afterwards too. So we need to do await state say dot connect temp dot transfer ownership to await liquid staking contract dot get address will, we just need to accept it, right? Yes. Await liquid staking dot accept ownership of token, and with this we have before each function for all of our. Let's remove this part. So we are not using precompile anywhere in any case. Let's remove that. I want to know the address. How do we get address of the validator? Found readme. Okay, say chain. No, 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 no. Not say chain. We want tilde go ben slash cd dash dash help. Yes. Now we need to go through all of these. Validate genesis. No. Tool query. Okay. Can we query transactions slash staking? Okay. Query staking pools delegations. We want validators. Yes. Validators. Damn, my laptop is like running very hot. It's very hot. Like there is no, there isn't sufficient cooling, and it's also summer here. So okay, let's run this and see. Flags count help total. Dash dash home. Let's say we still need a flag, right? Okay, not very useful. Validator, validator, no, validators. Count total 10. Okay, what flag do you need? 10 is not. Can we do dash o and then JSON? No. text. Oh, sorry, I didn't read the damn error. That's why. Okay, let's run our command. Yeah, now it should be. We should be able to run this. Yes, and we have the say address. We have the say address. Can we access that with RPC? Cosm wasm REST API Cosmos staking, not delegations. We just need no, not it wasn't staking, right? Uh, REST API Cosmos stake validators. Yes, we have this. And what's the Cosmos endpoint? Okay, let's stop this. Here, okay, this one. Let's see what happens. We first need to run this. And let's try curl -x get http colon slash slash 120.1 colon 26657 slash cosmos slash staking slash v1 beta 1 slash validators. Okay, so I'm pretty sure we are calling the wrong thing. Localhost, oh, no, get localhost validators. It doesn't work. 8545. Okay, that's just wrong, maybe. Status. Okay, status works. How to prettify the output. Let's see. Do we have JQ? Yes, we do. We have almost everything. We have the validator address, but that's not the C address that we need. Is this one? Now we have most of those things. Let's check all. Subscribe, broadcast, block. Oh, we can just do validators. That's good. Validators. Why don't we have? We have the address. That's not the correct address. We for some of the tests we need. So if you go to the contract, you'll see our in the test we have to do um, deposit first, then we have to actually delegate, then we have to create withdraw request, update the timestamp, then what else, update the timestamp. I also don't know how to update the timestamp. So that issue is still there. Okay, at least we have this one. Get validators list for local, for any network. Are no, the local node exposes, no, Cosmos RPC port is 26657. JQ is just for formatting the output of the command. No, output of the request if it is JSON, JSON or yeah, JSON only. Yes. So what we did today, we learned about this rounding error and where it will happen. Mostly it will happen in divisions. In the multiplications, it's just overflow, so we don't have to worry about it. Okay. In any case, create no withdraw create withdraw request, amount, exchange rate, timestamp. Okay, time buffer. Everything is there. Everything is set up. Everything is set up correctly. Now we can write our first test. We can only test this deposit, then view functions, that are these not delegation, owner only functions, and view functions. Oh, no, not even view functions, because we use this right in one of the view functions, so we can't even do that. Liquid staking, say dot soul. Okay, let's remove all these things from here. User can deposit. Yes, all these functions are not useful because they can't do anything. Function test owner functions. Okay, let's see if we have. Ignore this. I'm closing the local node. Forge test dash empty. That works. Okay, I'm not sure what's happening. Foundry up dash. Why we keep getting this documentation error? I don't have any idea. And it's for the events only. Anyway, we will check this in the hard hat tests, but right now let's focus on this part. Okay, sorry about that. In owner only functions, will test these functions. Transfer ownership, set role, revoke role, not set, grant role, revoke role. What else is what else? No, these three only. Now we have liquid s underscore liquid staking dot transfer ownership of token. Let's do address random equal to random, no, make addr random. Now we'll pass it here. what what can, give me a second, no? I'm just thinking about few things. Now we just want to check assert equal to s underscore liquid staking dot pending owner comma random. Did we change something? Oh yes, we did. It will be just owner, right? Which function, which address is this? S underscore owner. Okay, so I guess we have some issue with this. Access default rule, transfer, we have owner, right? We have the owner, then can we access control F, owner, no, owner is default admin, default Oh, I guess I just we are checking the ownership of the token, not I was checking the wrong ownership. S underscore state say pending owner. Okay, that's correct. I was just doing the wrong, checking the wrong thing. Test LST ownership transfer function function test grant or revoke roles. Address bot equal to make addr bot. We have s underscore liquid staking dot set delegation bot. Yes, set delegation bot will pass bot assert true. Okay, we need to pass data, which is s underscore liquid staking dot has role bot comma s underscore liquid staking dot. Are we making that public or no? Okay, let's just make that constant public so we have access to it. I'm just trying to figure out how to check for the role. Grant revoke, it uses access control. Access, where was access control? Control has role. Yes, has role and then account. We are doing this backwards. Then we also need another address. Address random make address random same thing. We'll just say vm dot prank random. Another will be vm dot expect revert Let's just try to run this. No. Okay, so this delegation bot access control has unauthorized account. Why? Okay, do we need to do like vm dot? Yes, we do need to do vm dot prank. No. Yes, vm dot prank. We have an issue here where we grant role set delegation bot. Yes, and we know the error now, which is access control unauthorized account. Is it from access control? No, it's from iaccess control. Yes. iaccess control. No, I want to check default admin. Default admin role. Where can we find it? No. Okay, can we do go to definition? Yes, from access control. Okay. So we need to access control and access control. We need to do those imports. Open Zeppelin, import iaccess control, from open Zeppelin slash contract slash access slash iaccess control. Can we do this? Let's see. Expect revert abi.encode with selector. Then I'll say iaccess control dot unauthorized account dot selector comma access control, let's say bytes 32 0, and last is random. I know I'm just gonna get a lot of errors. We can't do this. Access slash I access control, and now just access and then expected error is this, and oh, did we flip it? First is account, then yes, first is account, and then the actual thing. Everything works correctly. Last part is same thing. We just need to we need to remove that. vm.rank s underscore owner underscore owner liquid staking dot remove delegation bot assert false s underscore liquid staking dot has role bot. We want this part again. We are just gonna change the method, change the function that we are calling. Let's see. Yes, everything works. That's great. Yeah, what else? What else is that we can test without local node? That's what I want to check. Main deposit we can't. We can actually right now. First deposit will have just 0, right? So we can do this. First exchange rate will be 1, so same amount should be minted. Withdraw we can't do. We have done this already. We have tested this. All these things. For all these 4, we can't do anything. Get withdraw. I think we have tested these already. If not, they are very straightforward. We don't have to worry about it. Okay. I know I've been avoiding actually writing the integration tests, so we'll do that tomorrow definitely. I'll try that beforehand, before stream starts, and hopefully they are working fine, and I'll just explain it to you. But anyway, let's wrap up the stream. I know 5 minutes are there, but I guess how long have we? Yeah, say 4 minutes are there. Anyway, I hope you guys like the stream. If not, let me know on in the YouTube comments, if you're watching on Twitter, DM me and let me know how, what do you think about this. Or in even in the comments, wherever you can reach me, you can tell me how I can improve it. Also, let me know if you guys are interested in videos. I want to create video series on account abstraction. We have already covered that in the streams, but I want to create do a actual video series, because I don't think a lot of people will watch streams, and streams are not very useful because we are just experimenting, right? So that's why I want to create a video series. Yeah, video series, 5-6 part series, and explain you guys how ERC 4337 works. But I don't think you. Yeah, I guess it's good to have that maybe as a portfolio. I'm gonna find a DevRel job in next 3 months, so it's much better to have something on YouTube other than live streams, because if someone starts watching my live streams, I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna get that job. So structured videos are much better. I have one video from 2 years ago, or maybe three now. Who knows? Let's see. I I published that on 8 May 2022. Yes, so almost 3 years now. 2 years, 2 years, 10 months. Yes, 2 years, 10 months. Okay, so I'll create I'll create a series and you guys can watch it. Anyway, you already know the topic for tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow, same time. Okay, this is the end of the stream then. Have a nice day. Bye.